2023 Bowman Chrome Hobby. 6 boxes, PYT number 2. 10 times in the dice for the WBC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 times on those dice. Mr. Barber for the Guardians. Mr. Barber. Mr. Anderson. Andrew Barber wins the random for any WBC that don't belong to a Major League Baseball club. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. What's up, Gramps? Yeah, we're keeping the Mets alive in spirit. They might not be in the postseason, but it's let's go Mets. Let's go Mets. We had some rip cards in the full case of Ginter. We had a little mini stained glass. Otherwise, nothing too orgasmic yet. Just getting started here. This wonderful Tuesday evening. I'm going to win Circa Survivor. I'm just telling everybody right now. I've said it before. I'm saying it again. It's going to happen. Me, Backer, and my friend Bobby, the three of us, we all split. We split it all, and we're gonna split it again. We're gonna just win lots of money with Circa Survivor. I think we're stuck taking the Bills this week against the Giants. We're going to win, Gramps. It's just, it's destiny. It's happening. We have 3 of our remaining 10 teams. 3 of 10 teams left. There's only like 1,700 and change remaining. So each entry is worth like $6,000 or close to it, maybe. So we're very plus EV right now. A lot, J-Bach, like millions. It's a winner-take-all thing. It's like a lot of money. Nice, Gramps. The buy-in was 1,000. Yes, if there's ties, it splits. Yes, but then everybody has to make it through to the end, or bust at the same time. Yeah. The erosion. Many jugs. That's all right. I can handle it. I can handle it. Next time we'll be like the little, like the Notre Dame, the little leprechaun, the Notre Dame leprechaun. Oh no, the Fighting Irish. Is it this guy? Which is the one? Is it the Boston Celtics or is it the Notre Dame guy that gives you the little boxing gloves? Which one is it? It's the Notre Dame guy, right? I can handle you, Minnie. Don't worry. I have a high tolerance for pain. It is the Notre Dame, right? The Fighting Irish with those, with the little guy that's putting up his dukes. I don't, Bills. I gotta put it on. I'm the worst. It's that's funny, Gramps. Exactly. High tolerance for pain as a Mets fan. I say it all the time. I still have nightmares of Armando Benitez doing the whirlybird as Brian Jordan just gets hit after hit at the end of the game. I've never been there, JR. But I believe that it has a beautiful campus. Rudy. Rudy.
My heart is still racing.
Does a tie count as a loss? The answer is hells yes, J-Bach. A tie is a big fat L. A tie is a big fat L. Bills, I have the Rangers in the over. It's 6-1 right now, right? Man, how good is Gunnar, by the way? He's really getting it done in the postseason. Yeah, Bobby Bonilla Day. Honestly, I'm over Bobby Bonilla Day. I'm over it. There's another guy with a contract worse than Bobby Bonilla, I believe. I know people love to forget. It's like I forget who it is. There's somebody out there with a better contract than Bobby Bonilla. Ooh, nice. Gold mini diamond. Gold mini diamond here. I like that. I like gold mini diamonds. Yes, I do. Do you like gold mini diamonds? Because I do too. Well, Young is a beast, yeah. Yeah, I'm just saying, and Young is doing well in the postseason also, but I'm just saying Gunnar looks like a seasoned veteran in the postseason here. He looks good. He's just driving runs in. He's batting for high average. No, I like Young too, but I'm just saying Gunnar looks really good. Of course Gunnar wins Rookie of the Year. I wish it was Young. You know how I feel about that, Minty. I didn't bet on Gunnar. I faded Gunnar. I bet on Yoshida to win Rookie of the Year, and I bet on Josh Young to win Rookie of the Year. How bad do I run? At least I bet on Acuna to win MVP at 10-1. I lost like all my preseason bets on baseball except Acuna. Acuna winning MVP is the only reason I didn't lose my ass. All right, here we go. Let me grab one more of these top loaders. Didn't Ken Griffey pass up a lot of money to play for the Reds because he was from Cincinnati or something? Or do I have the story wrong, LP? Or it did because he backloaded the contract, did that end up screwing them later or something? Corbin looks amazing too, Gramps, that's for sure. I'm going to put on the game. I'm going to fill out a Post-it, and then we're going to show some cards. Nice, Bills. Let's go, baby. Nice. You're sharp. Bedard got an assist. Nice. I bet on the Blackhawks tonight. I figured that line was a little too generous. Blackhawks getting like plus 230 just seemed like too much. I'm just putting on the baseball game here. Oh, so it really was all backloaded. So, but you can't deny that even though he did end up screwing them in Cincinnati, I don't think he meant to. He was trying to help them win while he was playing there, right? I feel like that was what he was trying to do. I don't think he wasn't trying to screw them. Manny Ramirez is still getting paid? Good God. Strike. All right, here we go. Here we go. Bowman Chrome Hobby, PYT number 2. 6 boxes of greatness. It's going to start out with Chris Newell signing this card for the Los Angeles Dodgers. Going to IYC. All right, good luck. Here we go. As we continue, that was our first piece of ink. Henry Cavilli for the Twinkies going to Marcus, the $2.99. Oh, no. Yeah, the $2.99 on the spec. I was going to say, what is this, unnumbered or something? Manny Machado to $2.99, Padres. Jordan Lawler, refractor for the Diamondbacks. I don't feel like this is the way it's supposed to be here. What's up, Mr. Barber? It's good to see you, my friend. There's Sem from the Netherlands, base auto for Toronto, going to the Aristocrat. Cotton Candy, Yasier Mercedes to 125 for the Twinkies. A shimmy of Jet Williams for the Mets. Los Mets. Yellow behind Yoshi. Yellow ink of Andy Perez for the Rockies. Going to, yes, Mike. You do play poker, and you're going to hit some Rocky ink. Let's wipe the chrome dust off there if we can. So close. There we go. Finally got it. 11/75 as Eovaldi is just mowing him down, huh? He looks good, man. Eovaldi looking good. There's Corbin. He came to the league. Yes, he did. For the Diamondbacks. To 199, it's Patrick Bailey, rookie for the Giants. I feel like I don't hit him that often. Mr. Bailey, who are you? Well, that's frightening, Bok Choy. Shimmy of Walcott. Nice. For Mike and the Rangers, we'll take that. We like Walcott. Any Walcott will do. Base auto of Royber Salinas for Zion Papa and the Braves. Lindor. This will go to the Mets, even though he's wearing the Puerto Rico jersey for the WBC. Gunnar, he's iconic. Yes, he is. As he's batting almost 700 in the playoffs. It's ridiculous. Raymond Mola to 150 for the Pirates. Is Blez doing hockey? Yes, we are, Guitar Bear. We are. We're doing hockey, baby. I love hockey. Let's go hockey. Why didn't this print out? What's wrong with the printer now? Every day. Exactly. Gotta heat up. We gotta warm up as we're moving closer to the Bedard season. Because he's not in this year's products. He's in next year's products, right? Yeah, exactly. That's this year, Tobin? Base auto of Dario for the Angels, Laverde. To 150, there's Max with his different colored eyes, but that card is blue. Julio to 299. Fuchsia for the Mariners there. Gunner, he's iconic. Spencer Steer, he's a refractor for the Reds to 499. Hey, how about a little Corbin ink for the Don? Oh, wow, that's a home run. Oh, my God, my friend bet him to hit a home run. No way. Nate, well, my friend's going to start texting me right now. I can't wait for this. Nice Corbin auto. Let's go. Number to 100. 37 out of 100. For Don Stevens on the Corbin ink. We'll beat the sword on the Corbin auto. I like Corbin autos. Gunner, he came to the league. What's your name? To 100. Crawford on the shimmy for the Phillies. Yes, he did, Bok Choy. Why is Gibson in this game right now? Does he not have a spot in their playoff rotation? What's up, Mr. Hockler? Good to see you, my friend. If you guys know Justin McMahon, man. Oh, that's why they're done if they lose. Okay. Got you. Oh, that's right. This is an elimination for them. Good answer, Mike. All right, we have an auto. It's one almost. Almost for the Royals, going to Nappy. And then a yellow Michael Garcia. Michael spelled wrong. Garcia spelled right for the Royals. So double Royals hit there. Yep, there's the message from my friend. Whoa! Dominguez, the Martian. On the speckled at 299. There's Mena refractor auto for the White Sox. Corbin base. A green of Otto Lopez. The WBC. To 99. Jace Young to 199 on the magenta shimmy. Fuchsia shimmy. Magenta shimmy. Blue ink of Junsuk Shim for the Pirates. Going to SCV on the kill. 8 out of 150 Blu-ray Wave Auto for Pittsburgh. Refractor of the Verdugo, Mexico. Corbin, he's iconic. Ethan base. Speckle of Cam Colley. Corbin base again, and then a base auto of Joey Ortiz for the Orioles. Would have preferred Basala, but we'll take it. Gets Baltimore on the board here. B. Jordan to 199 for the Red Sox. And Osorio for the Dodgers on the purple shimmy. All right, we have a gold mini diamond auto. Let's guess it. Let's do a guess for 42. A quick guess. For 42 bucks, guess the gold mini diamond auto. Quick like a fox. Ooh, Shugo Maki. Nice WBC blue there. This will be to 75. 62 out of 75. And that's going to go to Andrew Barber. This was one via the random. I already did the random earlier. Yeah, that's crazy, J-Buck. I didn't even know that. That's nuts. Shimmy of Roderick Arias. Guess the gold mini diamond auto. For 42 bucks. I'm going to sleeve some cards so you guys have a moment. All right, we have another handful, a Hardy handful, and then we have a gold mini diamond auto. There's Ben Metzinger, base auto for the Brew Crew. There's Torin Refractor for the Diamondbacks. You're welcome to guess the gold mini diamond auto if you have not yet for $42 in prize Blez Bucks if you get it right and nobody else guessed it before you. An Atomic Prospect Process of Jackson Holiday. Very cool looking card there. Going to the Orioles. 92 out of 150 for Big Deuce. All right, here we are. Gold mini diamond auto. Guesses are off. We're done guessing. Hobby Boxers is the last guess. It's gonna be, looks like a fishy. Oh, wow. It's Vargas. I think Stein guessed Vargas, actually. Marco Vargas, because he was guessing because he has the Marlins. A double hit for Stein. He gets the guess and the card. 35 out of 50. Gold mini diamond auto of Marco Vargas for the Fish. It's a nice card. 2 beat the sorts in this break. Nice hit, Stein. I'll put the 42 in there. Just give me a moment after I do the recap. Base autos. Nah, I was only giving him credit for that one because I know he took the Fish. I knew which Vargas he was picking. I was giving him $0 in credit if it was the Yankees Vargas or whatever the other one is. Marco Vargas, speaking of the devil, 35 to 50 gold mini diamond auto there for Stein, and Corbin, 37 out of 100 on the Bowman Ascension auto for Don Stevens. Both of those will beat the sort. Pretty solid 6 boxers there. 6 boxes. Thank you for joining. That was PYT number 2. A Bowman Chrome Hobby. Thank you. That was a break.